Hi friends, welcome back to SabeerCAD. Let's see the procedure to print this drawing in a PDF file with black background. I'll first select all these objects in the drawing, then I'll press Ctrl 1, I'll change the color. Click on Select Color and click on True Color and make sure that red, green and blue are 255 each, which is perfect white. Next, draw a rectangle and give solid command and select the corners of this rectangle by picking points. I'll pick the first point here, second point here, and the third point diagonally opposite, and the fourth point here. Now you have created a solid object which is similar to a solid fill hatch. Next, I'll select the rectangle and the solid and change the color by clicking on the true color and change the value to 000, which is perfect black. Now give draw order command, select the rectangle and the solid and click on back. Now the solid is sent to the back. Give plot command and choose the name of the plotter as DWG to PDF and choose the proper paper size. I'll choose A3 as a paper size. Then click on center the plot. In the what to plot area, choose window and pick the two opposite corner points of the rectangle, and you can preview the plot. You can see the drawing against the black background. Now I'll choose landscape as the orientation and I'll click on OK to plot it. I'll save it in the desktop and I'll click on save. You can see that the drawing is plotted against the black background. Please hit the like button of this video if you liked it and subscribe to SabeerCAD YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed already, and drop your queries as comments in the comment section of this video. Thank you so much for your time. Peace be upon you all.